Hi everyone, I'm Katie from MI Industry. Today I would like to introduce one of our top 3 wholesaling emergency products, car booster cable. Different cars with different displacements, and the booster cable required is different. But all of them with the same feature. That is, red line stands for positive electrode and black line stands for negative. Here are different models and let me introduce to you one by one. For this one, it is metal clad design and the line is thicker. This one also with metal clad and with a plastic sleeve. The line is thinner. This one with plastic clad design. This one with plastic clad design too, but the size is a little larger. For the car booster cable, OEM is certifiable. It including the clamps, the diameter, the length, and the package. Okay, that's all. Thanks for your watching.